To link Facebook page to Instagram on Android, what you do is open Facebook application, tap on this profile icon here, tap on this arrow here, select your Facebook page, again tap on the profile icon, select this gear icon here, scroll down and select this option linked accounts. Select Instagram, select connect account, continue, and then you have to log into your Instagram account by the username and password. Login. Now if you want to save your login info, you can select save info, otherwise select not now. Select this option log in as and then continue. Okay. Now what happens is your Facebook page is connected to Instagram account. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.